3 days. You have shown up 3 days in a row. Do you know what that means? It means you are not just someone who has a dream anymore. You are someone who is living it. One sentence, one day, one breath at a time. Most people spend their whole life waiting for the perfect moment to start. You did not wait. You started, and you kept going. And today, day 3, we are going to talk about something that is going to set your soul on fire, your future dreams and goals. Stay until the end, because what you practice today is going to stay with you for the rest of your life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Ember. If you are joining us for the very first time, welcome. You have found a place where English learners come to grow, to practice, and to believe in themselves again. And if you have been here since day 1, I just want to say, I see you. I am proud of you, and I am so grateful you keep coming back. This is day 3 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. 3 days in, 27 days to go. And today, our shadowing sentences are about something very close to my heart, your future dreams and goals. Because your English is not just a skill, it is a key that opens doors to opportunities, to people, to a version of your life that right now might feel just out of reach. Today, we practice the words that will take you there. Let us begin. I want to ask you something personal today. What is your dream? Not your English dream, your real dream. The big one. The one that lives quietly in the back of your heart. The one you maybe do not say out loud because it feels too big, too far, too impossible. Maybe you dream of working in an international company. Maybe you dream of traveling the world and talking to people from every country. Maybe you dream of studying abroad. Maybe you dream of giving a speech, writing a book, making friends across the ocean, or just simply being able to express yourself freely, without fear, without hesitation, without shame. Whatever your dream is, I want you to hold it in your mind right now. Really see it, feel it. Let it be real for just this moment. Because here's the truth that nobody tells English learners enough. Your dream is not too big, your English is not too broken, and you are not too late. Every single person who speaks English fluently today, every single one of them, was once exactly where you are right now, struggling, doubting, wondering if they would ever get there. And the ones who made it? They did not get there because they were smarter. They did not get there because they were luckier. They got there because they kept going on day 3 when it was hard. They kept going on day 10 when the progress felt invisible. They kept going on day 25 when they were tired. They kept going. And so will you. Your dream is waiting for you on the other side of this challenge. And today on day 3, you're 3 steps closer to it. Let me remind you why what we are doing here is so powerful. Shadowing is not just repeating words. It is so much more than that. When you shadow, when you listen deeply and speak out loud, you are doing something remarkable. You are teaching your brain to think in English, not translate into English, not search for English, think in English. And that is the moment everything changes. Right now, when you want to say something in English, your brain probably goes through a process. You think of the idea in your native language, you try to translate it, you search for the words, you worry about the grammar, and by the time all of that happens, the moment is gone, the confidence is gone, and you stay silent. Shadowing breaks that cycle completely. After 30 days of this practice, your brain will start to reach for English directly, without the translation, without the searching, without the fear. The words will come faster, the sentences will flow more naturally, and the silence, that painful, embarrassing silence, will start to disappear. This is not magic. This is science. This is what happens when you train your brain the right way every single day. And today, day 3, you are already 3 days into that transformation. Keep going. The breakthrough is closer than you think. Same 4 rules, always. Rule 1. Listen carefully. Let every word land completely before you speak. Rule 2. Repeat out loud, 3 times each. Your voice is your instrument. Play it every day. Rule 3. Do not worry about mistakes. Every imperfect repetition is a perfect step forward. Rule 4. Feel the words. Today's sentences are about your dreams. Mean every single word you say. Ready? Take a deep breath, think of your dream, and let us speak it into existence. Listen carefully. After the pause, your turn. Out loud, 3 times. I have big dreams, and my English will help me reach them. I have big dreams, and my English will help me reach them. I have big dreams, and my English will help me reach them. Yes! Say that with your whole chest. Your dreams are real, and your English is the bridge that takes you there. Start building that bridge right now. Every day I practice, I get closer to the life I want. Every day I practice, I get closer to the life I want. Every day I practice, I get closer to the life I want. Feel that. Every single repetition today is a step, not a big dramatic leap, just one quiet, powerful step. And steps add up into journeys. I am learning English because I believe in my future. I am learning English because I believe in my future. I am learning English because I believe in my future. This is your why. When the days get hard, and some days will, come back to this sentence. You are not just learning a language, you are investing in your future self. My goals are possible, and I am working toward them every day. My goals are possible, and I am working toward them every day. My goals are possible, and I am working toward them every day. Possible. Not easy, not instant, but absolutely, completely possible. And the proof is right here. You are working toward them right now, today. I speak English because I want to connect with the world. I speak English because I want to connect with the world. I speak English because I want to connect with the world. English is not just grammar and vocabulary, it is a bridge between you and billions of people on this planet. Every sentence you learn opens that bridge a little wider. Beautiful, isn't it? I am building the future I dream of, one word at a time. I am building the future I dream of, one word at a time. I am building the future I dream of, one word at a time. One word at a time, not all at once, not overnight. One word, one sentence, one day. That is exactly what you are doing right now, and it is enough. It is more than enough. I will not give up on my dreams, no matter how long it takes. I will not give up on my dreams, no matter how long it takes. I will not give up on my dreams, no matter how long it takes. No matter how long it takes. Put that in your heart today. Some journeys are long, but every long journey is made of short days. Today is one of those days, and you are here. My English is opening new doors and new opportunities for me. My English is opening new doors and new opportunities for me. My English is opening new doors and new opportunities for me. Right now, with every sentence you speak, a door somewhere is opening. You may not see it yet, but it is happening. Keep speaking. Keep opening. I imagine my future self speaking English freely and confidently. I imagine my future self speaking English freely and confidently. I imagine my future self speaking English freely and confidently. Close your eyes for just 1 second and see that version of you, speaking, flowing, confident, smiling. That person is real, and you are becoming them right now in this moment. I deserve success, and I am ready to work for it. I deserve success, and I am ready to work for it. I deserve success, and I am ready to work for it. You deserve it, not someday, not when your English is perfect. Now, you deserve every good thing that is coming to you, and it is coming. Keep going. I am brave enough to dream big and strong enough to make it real. I am brave enough to dream big and strong enough to make it real. I am brave enough to dream big and strong enough to make it real. Brave enough to dream, strong enough to make it real. Both of those things are already inside you. This challenge is just bringing them out, day by day, sentence by sentence. The world is full of opportunities waiting for my English to grow. The world is full of opportunities waiting for my English to grow. The world is full of opportunities waiting for my English to grow. They are waiting. The jobs, the friendships, the experiences, the adventures, all of it is waiting. And your English is the key. Keep growing it every single day. I set goals, I take action, and I never stop moving forward. I set goals, I take action, and I never stop moving forward. I set goals, I take action, and I never stop moving forward. That is not just a sentence. That is a description of who you are. You set a goal to speak English. You took action. You started this challenge. And you are moving forward, right here, right now, on day 3. My hard work today is creating a better tomorrow for myself. My hard work today is creating a better tomorrow for myself. My hard work today is creating a better tomorrow for myself. Every single minute you spend practicing today is an investment, not in a bank, in yourself. And the returns, they will change your life. Keep investing. I am on my way to the life I have always dreamed of living. I am on my way to the life I have always dreamed of living. I am on my way to the life I have always dreamed of living. On your way. Not almost there, not arriving tomorrow. On your way, which means you have already left the starting point. You are already in motion. You are already becoming. And nothing can stop you now. And that is day 3. 15 sentences about your future, about your dreams, about the life that is waiting for you on the other side of this challenge. I want you to do something right now. Close your eyes for just 5 seconds and picture yourself on day 30 at the end of this challenge. Confident, proud, transformed. See it clearly. Now open your eyes. That version of you, the one you just imagined, is real. And the only thing standing between you and that version of yourself is 27 more days of exactly what you just did today. That is it. Just 27 more days. You can do this. I know you can, because you have already done 3 days. And 3 days ago, you had not even started. Write day 3 complete. I am on my way in the comments right now. I read every single one, and every single one makes my heart so full. Come back tomorrow for day 4. Same time, same place, right here on Everyday English with Ember. Give this video a thumbs up if your dream felt a little closer today. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a day. And share this challenge with someone whose dream you believe in, because everyone deserves to feel what you felt today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for dreaming. Thank you for not giving up. Your future is speaking English, and it is closer than you think. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.